Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from the Farmville 2 game on your device. So let's get started right away. Now if you are playing the Farmville 2 game on your device and you have logged in by using your Facebook or any other method, then you can try logging out from the menu options, but you will notice that some of your login information is still saved within the game. So in order to prevent this and log out safely, just long press on the Farmville game icon and then tap on the info button. This will then take you into the application info page for the Farmville game. First of all, tap on force stop button at the bottom right corner and then tap on OK to stop the app. You can then scroll down and tap on storage, and now from the storage menu, tap on clear data at the bottom left corner. Then tap on the delete button and this will clear all of your login information from the Farmville 2 game and you will be logged out securely. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from the Farmville 2 game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.